Maintenance of way is one of the most important aspects of railroading, and on the Amtrak Michigan Line in 2022, the railroad spent a majority of the year performing upgrades on the state-owned line. We have found one of the last ballast trains of the year, number 972, running west out of Ann Arbor, Michigan on November 8, 2022. Please note that these clips have had their speed doubled, but use normal speed audio. The train was running at walking speed to dump ballast, which is between 3 and 4 miles per hour. Our first location for shooting the ballast train was going over one of the 8 bridges that crosses the Huron River in a 10-mile stretch. The ballast train is being led by Amtrak P32-8's number 519 and 518. Freshly painted Norfolk Southern AC44C6M number 4512 is being towed dead this afternoon. The Norfolk Southern motor had brought the ballast train to Wayne, Michigan, where Amtrak took delivery of the loaded train. Amtrak purchased 20 P32-8's in 1991. These locomotives were meant to be a stopgap between the at-the-time aging F40PH's and the next generation P40 and P42 Genesis locomotives. The P32-8's would serve alongside both the F40PH's and the Genesis locomotives for the better part of 25 years before being pushed largely into yard and maintenance services. As of recently, they can be seen switching in and around Chicago, Los Angeles, and at the 2 auto train facilities on the East Coast. They also run maintenance of way trains like this one and pinch hit on Amtrak services outside of the Northeast Corridor when needed. Just over a quarter-mile west, the Michigan Line crosses the Huron again. At this bridge, we can see recent work done to the bridge, including repaired concrete approaches and new guardrails on both sides. Our next shot is on one of the shorter bridges that crosses the Huron River and is south of Huron River Drive. This location is rarely shot due to the lighting of the bridge. Thanks to our drone, this is not an issue as we watch the train cross at a leisurely pace. As the train passes by our drone, we get a nice look at the Phase 5 paint that these P32s wear. 519 and 518 are normally based out of Chicago, but often spend time on the Michigan Line doing maintenance of way trains. During 2022, these locomotives ran both tie trains and ballast trains over the Michigan Line, giving local rail fans ample opportunities to shoot the classic 4-axle GEs. About halfway through the train, we see the 2 ballast cars that are being used for dumping. The crew members ride the cars as they automatically dump ballast on the bridge. Dexter, Michigan, we were able to get two classic shots as 972 passes the Dexter Mill and then the classic Michigan Central Depot in Dexter. Here we will get our first view of the Norfolk Southern caboose which was on the rear of this train. After stopping west of Dexter and briefing with their crew, 972 is ready to run west to Jackson. We move to the east end of Chelsea Siding to catch the train at speed as the sun sets. With the 972 finally clear, NS Local B25 takes their turn to run east. We would shoot this train under the sunset passing the Dexter Depot. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe for future Michigan Line rail fanning videos.